If you are interested to get your 4,000 watt hours before the end of the year, this is another strategy I am bringing to you. And of course, my goal on this channel is to ensure that many content creators, as many as possible, get monetized this year. And I've been sharing strategies in my previous videos. This is another strategy. All right, this one gets you your 4,000 watch hours in less than 24 hours using your videos. That sounds interesting. Look at this screenshot you are seeing. Look at all of these screenshots, right? Look at all of it. Just take a look at it. Study it first. You'll see first thing there is YouTube recommendation. That is where the traffic source is coming from. So it is 100% organic. There is no third-party apps. There is no clicking of links. There is no external website. There is nothing. It is all from the YouTube recommendation. It's only for those people who are so interested in getting their 4,000 watch hours, even after trying all the methods. And most times, sit at home moms, you don't have the time to run it. Workers, you are students, you are so, overwhelmed with activities, no time. Don't worry. All what you need to do is click the link in the description of this video, right? And let's get you started. Remember, it is not free because everything comes with a price tag. So don't come with the free mindset or discount. Okay, they did discount some times ago, but now I think the cost is certain, like it's fixed. So if you're having challenges, you have more inquiries, feel free to send me an email and I will attend to it. All right. So this strategy is 100% organic. Organic. Like you've seen the traffic source. It is YouTube Studio, YouTube recommending your video by themselves. You don't need to be scared. Yeah, there's no need to be scared. No, it's not. There's no need to be scared. You're 100% safe, and your channel is 100% safe, and the channel traffic is 100% on the right track. Go ahead and click that link and let's get you started. If you don't like this video, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Drop me a comment in the comment section of this video and let's get to talk. I want everybody to be monetized, and I'll keep bringing up strategies, legit strategies, amazing ways that you can get these things done the right way and stay safe and stay monetized. See you in the next one.